The following message is transmitted by the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. At 6:20 p.m. this evening, a child abduction emergency has been issued. A child went missing. It was last seen near a yellow house with a red roof. Minutes later, the child disappeared without a reason. Police have investigated the whole house, and they saw red ribbon in the back door of the house. It was the first evidence they found. It is possible that someone kidnapped the child. Stay tuned for more updates.
This message is from the FBI. An attack has occurred in the streets of Warren County. It appears the mysterious man who haunts front porches came back again and attacked people in the streets. Stay indoors and don't make a noise. FBI, your safety matters.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. The child that went missing has been declared dead. It appears that she has been attacked by an unknown creature. It is not confirmed yet. Security cameras in the house caught the footage. We saw that the child was. Wait, we have another news from Pennsylvania. A mysterious man who haunts front porches attacked people in Warren County. Wait, they look the same. We will confirm that there are two creatures. One is in Minnesota, one is in Pennsylvania. We will advise everyone in Minnesota to stay indoors and don't make a noise. Stay tuned for more updates.
Man, did you hear there's a mysterious man who attacked Warren County in Minnesota? Yeah, I did. Guys, there's an emergency. What? What is it? We need to find the mysterious man before it might kill someone. Okay, let's go.
Bro, I think someone is behind us. What?
Fire it now! Ah! Run! Ah! Guys! Ah!
Did I kill it? Wait, why is it resting again?
Die!
I think I killed it. Wait, what is that? Oh, frick.
Go, go, go! Ah!
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued. 4 police officers and 1 creature were found dead in a nearby field. More creatures are still lurking nearby. We advised everyone in Minnesota and Pennsylvania to remain calm and stay indoors. More counties are affected by the creatures: Polk County, Monamed County, Beltrami County, Grant County, Douglas County, and Todd County. Anyone in these counties may stay indoors and prevent making a noise. Don't go outside in 8 p.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. Police will handle the situation. Stay tuned for more updates.